Engane njengoba ngikhuluma nayo ngangcono ukuthi igonogoni izisusile ngoba uyofika ku-40 enama-wrinkles enama-blemishes mangase angalaleli.
Hey fam, let's talk Uthando Nesithembu season 9 episode 5. That part that has everyone talking. The mother-daughter sit down. Quick recap for those who have not been keeping up with this season. The biggest shift this season is the official presence of Makwela, the fifth wife. It also shows how her arrival has shattered the remains of the sisterhood between the wives. The first wife, Makwela, is the only one who truly welcomed her. What we are also seeing this season is the financial trauma, and Makhumalo is right in the middle of it. She recently refused to contribute financially to Makwela's household, understandably. This season, Makhumalo's stance is very clear. Indoda must. The man must provide, because she's not willing to fund a new marriage that she didn't agree to in the first place. Then we have the beautiful Mayeni, wife number 2, actually number 3, because the first wife, Matkele, made it very clear that Mayeni married Babake as a third wife, coming after her and Masaul. Mayeni this season is standing on business more than ever, making it very clear that she wants no part of the discussions Musa is trying to lead regarding the new family structure. And she has even pushed back against Musa's brothers being involved in their marital affairs. Makhumalo also made it clear this season that she's not going anywhere, despite her being unhappy and being vocal about her unhappiness regarding the fifth wife. She has also mentioned that when it comes to her husband, he wanted her to grow, but only the body. But very unfortunately for him, she grew in every way. And oh, he's frustrated. You will remember that from season 1, Kumalo was all about her man. Okay, she was all about everything that Mtombeni said. Hey bo, all the other wives would be disagreeing with Msaleko. She would be standing by that man like her life depended on it. But obviously Msaleko didn't respect that, because Makumalo told her one thing, told her these 2 things. Do not marry someone from my village. 2, do not marry someone that is related to me. What did he do? He went ahead and married someone from her village. So now the tables have turned. It's a mess because she even blocks him on WhatsApp. And this left him so frustrated that he went straight to Mangwabe to complain or report Makhumalo, seeing as they are close. He ended up even involving Mpilo in his mess with Makhumalo, saying how Mpilo has taken sides. Now he's supposed to do a welcome ceremony for Mpilo, but he won't be doing that because that demands him to be in his happiest state, and he's not. And also he'll have to invite Makhumalo, and right now he can't do that because they are not okay. Yada, yada, yada. Hey, bo, he's going mad. He didn't expect that one day Makhumalo will be saying no to his BS. So now that she is, Babake is all over the place, even involving his own child into this mess. As for Makwela, fifth wife, our Coco Melon, her mans is busy fighting for her, okay? Now to what brought us here.
Kubalulekile ukuthi bafunde ukuze umuntu angalokhu ifocus emjolweni ngoba umjolo hayi umjolo uyanisa.
Benginayo manje eThekwini ngifuna ngifika la ekhaya.
Abona lapha yana isho ngama
100 roses. 100. Angazi ukuthi bewangakhi kodwa ingathi bewa 100 ngiyabonga.
Yakalungu umseleko kuleza impahla. Leza iningi kanje. Hawa. Jolani.
Hayi siyajolani
enjoy ngekusaba.
Shagithi ukuthi into mayifuna uyicela manje kusamnandi.
Yebo. Ngoba isikhathi ke sihamba sishintsha. Kumele ngampela jola ngampela uzizwise.
Sekuke washintsha kwathiwa ngiyibhukethu mina.
Yini yayenza wena kuthiwa uyibhukethu?
Angazi ngathi sengitholile ivoice angazi.
Bayibona lokho nje khona kuba kusho ukuthi kubalekela ukuboniswa. Phela mina ngibe muntu umuntu ongafuni igama.
Hayi ngiyakhumbula la so ngathi hawu makafuni ukuthi ugaya.
Ndo abashobo babe ngumfele.
Hayi lapha uma naye washo ukuthi ayingeke. Nizodlalaphi? Nizodlala. Hayi
bapha imene space same.
Hayi tshela iplan wathi hayi phela hayi ukuthi ngiyamthatha manje. Uma wathi hayi ukuthi uyamthatha manje. So what is the rush it? Awufanele uma ukuthi uyayiqala into eqale uyiqede. Unalo iplan. Awukwazi ukuthi ungathi wena uthatha umuntu bese ningafanele ngiqhubeke futhi kube yimina omodlayo yenza yonke into.
Hayi sikumbona wakho wavezwa bali isizathu. I don't think ikhona kufanele ngiphathe kahle.
Hayi
Umuntu omdala ufike khona. Nathi sasikuza sinoma. Ngampela abazali asibalaleli kodwa lezi zinto ziyasilimaza ekugcineni ungalaleli. Ngoba ngampela ngangimfuna nomsele womchazela.
Oh, Mayeni is such a darling. She gave Tirelo the best advice a caring mother can give.
Ngoba ngampela ngangimfuna nomsele womchazela. Ngangimfuna nongichazi kwakuthando lwani lona lolu elizongivakala na kumseleke esitejini engane nje wangikhuluma nayo ngangcono ukuthi igonogoni izisusile ngoba uyofika ku40 nama wrinkles nama blemishes mangase angalaleli. Uyabona lesiphithiphithi esenzekayo sisazophinda senzeke noma seshadile ngoba phela umphumela ngithi ngiyamzala ngiyambona phela ukuthi ufuza ukakwakhe. So yena uma ngabe ezogijima manje ngabe uya enjoy ukujola nomuntu wakhe manje azitike kwangempela wagijimela umshado ngeke kusafana. Umuntu mokwashada omunye uyacontrol kwaligqoka ibhloko ufuna ufaka ingubo ezinde avena kuphendula isalwazi into ongazi uyibona uthi hayi kuba kumina nje lo.
Like akhona abantu abangakwazi ukugqoka. Ngisho ngamtshela umuntu namhlanje ukuthi ukhindile uzimpintshele emabhlukweni akanandaba. Kazi noma ufuna amadoda noma ufunani because I can't understand umfazi ogqoka ngalendlela le agqoka ngayo.
What I love about Mayeni is that she always warns these girls, okay? From Viokasi to Makwela, everybody, she always warns them, but they never listen. She always tells these girls the honest truth as she knows it. When it comes to Tirelo and Pumelo's relationship, or them getting married or something like that, Tirelo's own mother is saying no to this marriage. Tirelo literally has two of the most important women in their lives telling her to take her time and enjoy this relationship. But looking at her, I was just like, I don't think she's listening to them. The way she's meeting, the way she's blushing, I feel like what they're saying is going through one ear and coming out the other. But at least they have spoken to her, right? I feel like she's buying into the idea of settling with Mpumelelo just because that is what is comfortable for her right now. But comfort isn't the same as happiness. What are your thoughts on all this, fam? Let's continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.